In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Store updates. If you prefer to control when your apps update or you want to save bandwidth on a metered connection, turning off automatic updates in the Microsoft Store is a quick and reversible change. I'll walk you through the process and explain what each step does so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. The fastest way is to click the Start button and type Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. You can also launch it from the taskbar if it's pinned there. Give it a moment to load so the home screen fully appears. Next, look to the top right corner of the store window. You'll see your profile picture or a circular account icon. Click that. Depending on your window size, the icon might appear as a small person silhouette or your chosen avatar. If the window is narrow, maximize it so the menu options are easier to spot. A small menu will open beneath your profile icon. From here, choose App Settings. This takes you to the store's internal settings page, which controls how the store app behaves, separate from your main window settings. If you see options like Library or Redeem, you're in the right place. App settings should be listed among them. On the App Settings page, find the section labeled App Updates. You'll see a switch next to it. Toggle this switch to the off position. When this is off, the Microsoft Store will no longer download and install updates for your apps automatically in the background. That means you decide when updates happen, which can help prevent unexpected changes or interruptions. A quick tip: turning off automatic updates doesn't block you from updating apps altogether. When you want to update, go back to the Microsoft Store, click your profile icon, open the library, and press Get Updates to check for and install them on your schedule. If you ever change your mind and want the store to handle updates for you again, return to App Settings and flip the same app updates switch back to On. Keep in mind that updates often include security fixes and performance improvements. If you disable automatic updates, set a regular time, maybe weekly or monthly, to check your library and apply updates to the apps you rely on. Also note that on some work or school devices, administrators may control this setting. If the switch appears grayed out, it might be managed by your organization. That's it. You've now disabled Microsoft Store automatic updates and taken full control over when your apps refresh.